Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy and today we're going to be doing a super simple pool look. And what I mean by that is if you're going to like maybe a pool party or you're going somewhere where people are going to be swimming and maybe you won't be getting in the pool, you may be still wearing a bathing suit, but maybe you're even in the pool but you're not full on, putting your head under the water and swimming. This is that kind of look. So I myself am, I guess you're getting ready with me because I'm about to leave and go to a pool myself. But I will be actually getting in, but I'm doing this video for the sake of a conversation I had where I was talking to someone and they were discussing how like they prefer to have makeup on, and you know what, that's fine. If a lot of people criticize people wearing makeup no matter the situation, if it's the grocery store, the pool, the gym, I really wish people would just let people be happy. If it's not you, don't worry about it, If it's not hurting you, it's not hurting them or someone else, don't worry about it. So this is for people that are in the aforementioned scenarios, that type of situation. Now, what I am putting on can get wet. So if you get splashed or something like that happens, it's not a big deal because you still have a lot of the stuff is sweat-proof, waterproof. So it's water resistant, but I wouldn't recommend dipping your whole head in the water. Unless you want to. But I'm putting it on even though I fully intend to get completely wet head to toe because I like to have fun. So I'm going to show you what I have done. Now, for my eyes, my brows, all I have on is the Benefit Brow that I typically wear. And the reason why I use that is because it is pretty water resistant. I don't think it says that it is, but it is because if you try to wash it off at night, you have to use a cleanser to get that off, even though I wouldn't wash my face with just water anyways. The other thing I have on my face is the Supergoop CC Cream, and this is in light medium. And this does not say, it doesn't say that it's water resistant by any means, but in my experience with using this, it is pretty water resistant. Now, this has omega-3 and omega-6, and it also has broad spectrum sunscreen 35, SPF 35. So that's why I preferred to wear that. Also, and that's from CC Cream. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using today. It's going to be super simple, and it's just if you are going and attending, or you're going even to get in the pool and swim around, if you're not, dunking your head unless you want to. But even so, it's if you, just want to look put together whether you're not, it doesn't matter. Just do what you want to do. So what I'm going to be doing is taking my, if I can find it. Did I drop it? Okay, here we go. So I don't have anything on my face other than two things I mentioned. The first thing I'm going to use is this Cargo water resistant bronzer, which is it's broken. I didn't know it was broken, but that's what it looks like, but it's broken. Shoot. But I guess that can happen when you travel with it, which is what I use this for. Because I have a small one, a travel size one, because I don't really like water resistant products, and if I do get them, I only get travel size or deluxe sample sizes because, like I said, I don't really need them except for vacation and other things like this. So there's no sense in buying the full size product if you can get it for smaller when you're only going to use it some of the time. So I'm just going to dip into that with a fluffy brush, and this is just to add some color and some depth to my face. I can't believe it broke. I can. I've had this for a while, and it has stood the test of time until now, so it probably got knocked around in my travel bag or something. But what I will say is, out of all the times I've used this for the situations I use it for, I have really enjoyed it. It's a really good bronzer, and it's the perfect tone for someone that's medium tone like myself. I don't think it has a color. I think that's it. Hopefully they have some varied skin tone ranges. I'm not entirely sure about that. But I do like it, and I can attest to it being water resistant. It does not say waterproof, it says water resistant. And in my preference, I would rather use water resistant things than waterproof, because I feel like waterproof things are just too hard to get off your darn skin. So I'm not doing makeup, but I am going to take a little of this bronzer on a fluffy brush and just give my eyes a little bit of dimension. Just like that. And that's just to add some color to our face so we don't look washed out. You know how you can look washed out? And a lot of times I do look washed out with just that CC cream on. The next product I'm going to use is the Amazon 12-Hour Clay Blush in Feisty. It just looks like this. This is a really pretty color I like to use when I'm going for more of a natural face, because I feel like it's more natural. Let me zoom you in a little bit. This also does not claim to be waterproof, but it is really long wearing, I guess because it's a 12-hour blush. It has worked well for me. But like I said, I'm not a fan of waterproof makeup. I like it to be water resistant or long lasting, such as this, and that seems to do just as fine. And we're gonna curl our lashes. And, you know, if you don't want to wear a mascara, that's totally fine. They have tons of waterproof mascaras on the market that you could easily get. Today, I'm just going to use, and like I said, like I mentioned a second ago, if I don't use something frequently, this is definitely an item I don't use frequently. It would just dry out. There's no reason to spend $20 on it. Sample sizes or deluxe sample sizes are perfect for this sort of thing, especially for traveling if you're only using it for that type of situation. So this is the Tarte Lifted Sweatproof Mascara. It says it is anti-transparent and sweatproof. It does not say a color, which is weird, but looks like this, and it's sort of a brown kind of shade, which is even better. Let me zoom you in some more. Which is even better for going to the pool. Now, I don't want it to look like I full-on have mascara. Like, I'm not trying to be deceitful about it either, but I don't want it to look like a big old full set of lashes, you know what I mean? Just enough to bring it together. I really like this mascara for this situation. It's not nearly as hard to get off as the waterproof ones. I've tried several different waterproof mascaras. I don't like them. It's too rough on my eyes. Even with the cleanser that comes with those types, it's too hard to get off my eyes, and I feel like it's too much on my delicate eye area. It's delicate. This will probably be the most simple thing you ever see me do on my channel. And because I'm me, I am going to do a second coat, but we're not going to go crazy. Alright, and that just, I mean, it's still, you can tell you have mascara on, but it's just it's less harsh than the, you know, a black mascara. It is brown. But the next thing we're going to use is, because I don't want to wear lipstick, you could of course wear like a nude lip or something. I'm going to use my Jelly Pom Pom Cosmetics lip oil in Watermelon. And it just looks like this. And it smells so good. Now this isn't like a lipstick. It literally is a lip oil like it says. And it does have just the lightest has the lightest wash of color, and it's really just like what I want that for, just for, you know, to bring some color to your face. Now lastly, I'm going to spritz with my Cover FX illuminating setting spray. You gotta shake this thing up just for some little bit of glow. Oh wait, before I do that, I'm actually going to take just a tiny bit, because I don't want to be all crazy bomb ass glowy, you know what I mean? We're going to use this Tarteist Pro Glow in Sparkler. And I actually meant to do this before I applied my mascara, because I was going to put a little on my eyes. Oh hell, what is, we'll put a little on there anyways. So I'm just gonna take a dot. Just like that. Do the other eye. And that again just gives you a little glowy kind of look without actually being made up. And we're going to take a little bit more. Can't really see it on my cheek that much. Tap a little right there. Tap it. I'm going to put a little more on my cheeks because I can't really... I don't feel like it's as bright as I want it. Have a nice big honkin' blemish right there. You know they come out to play. If you film, you know they come out to play right before you film, right? Or before you have to go somewhere. It's like their favorite time to come out. Okay, so now once we have done that, now we're gonna take the Ready Set. That's the wrong. This is not Ready Set Ready. The illuminating setting spray. I love the way setting sprays feel on my face. It is the most refreshing thing in the world. Ah. Can you see all the sparkles from that floating everywhere? Oh my gosh. It's not sparkle, it's like shimmer. And lastly, I have some setting mist with rosemary broad spectrum SPF 50. This is actually a matte setting spray, but I don't put this on yet. What I do is I take this with me, and it's literally, this is actually the full size of this. It's really small. It's kind of expensive to be so small, to be honest. But if you SPF like I do, you don't mind that so much. So what this is a setting spray, and it says it has a matte finish. It sets makeup, controls oil, and delivers UV photo aging protection. So this is SPF 50. Like I said, it's from Supergoop, and it just looks like this. What I will tell you about this if you decide to get this is do not spray it in your eyes. I've never actually sprayed it full on in my eyes, but when it gets close to your eyes, it kind of burns, and I'm assuming it's because it has rosemary oil in it. And so, yeah, that can kind of burn. I'm assuming it's rosemary oil. Let's see what it says. Rosemary leaf oil, yeah. So I'm assuming that's what makes it burn. So yeah, but this stuff is really good SPF, and I'm not gonna, like I said, put it on yet, but I will put it on after I get out there for a little bit and I feel like I need to reapply sunscreen. That way I don't have to take body sunscreen and put it on my face. I like using things formulated for my face because I'm super sensitive to that. And before I go, I will show you, lastly, I got a new swimsuit yesterday, and this has nothing to do with this, but I was excited about it. So these are just the bottoms. It's just black bottoms. But I went to Target because I was looking for a larger top. And so the thing is I have, I don't know, I don't want to say average size body because not everyone is the same size, and that's not really a word I want to use. I guess I'm proportionate for my height, I don't know, but I have a very large chest, and so I need a lot bigger of a top than a lot of stores like to provide. And so instead of going to a store that has like specialty bigger tops and they're $70+ because I was like, no, I'm not spending $70+ on just the top. Anyways, I was like, let's try Target and see if they have anything. Last year they had some really cute stuff, but none of it was still quite big enough, and I found this super cute bathing suit top. Now what I really like about it is it is super comfortable and it's big enough. I mean, you're obviously going to be in cleavage city if you have a large chest and you wear this, which is fine because I don't expect to not show cleavage. It's there, it's going to happen, but you're not falling out of it and it's not inappropriate. And what I really like about it is it has like the liner in it. It's in no way padded, which was, a lot of them were super padded, and I was like, oh my god, why do y'all need to wear pad right now for swimwear? So it does have a liner in it, but no padding. So it's no extra pad, this and that and the other. And the reason why I like the lining is because I don't like for my poppers to show. So I'd like to keep those hidden, and having a thicker liner like that certainly helps. And so, yeah. If you're a larger chested lady, even if not, they had a lot of really cute swimsuits for everybody's size. So but if you are bigger chested, whether you're bigger everywhere else or not, they have some really cute tops there right now. At least my Target did. So anyways, that's all for this video, and I want to go ahead and mention that next week I won't have any videos because I will be gone on vacation the entire week. Well, just about the entire week. And when I come back, it won't be in time for me to film, I don't think. So this will be my last video until not next Monday, but the next Monday. So I hope you guys continue to stick around, and if you miss me too bad, just go back and look at some of my other videos, and I hope you guys stick around, and I'll let you guys know how my trip was when I get back, and I'm really excited. And yeah, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget, do it. Do it. Go ahead and do it. Do it. Subscribe to my channel. That way when I come back, I'll get to talk to you about my trip, and it'll be fun while I do my makeup. I know I talk a lot, but whatever. Whatever. Some of us talk a lot, okay? But I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you subscribe again. Post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!